Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you the kind of equipment I bring on my travels and some suggestions of things that you could bring when you go travelling too. Okay, so first up we have pretty much the smallest thing, and that is a GoPro. This one's quite an old one, but it's still a GoPro and it's still at the moment it's not, but it can be waterproof with the case, and it's just a great little camera. If you don't want to carry too much, but you still want a camera with you, then the GoPro is a great choice. Next up on what I usually bring with me is a drone. And now this drone is perfect because, as you can see, it like folds up and down. I say that and now I'm just struggling to do it. But yeah, it folds out like that, then there we go. Of course, with that you get the controller, so definitely recommend bringing a drone. Another thing that I usually like to bring with me is this old iPad. It's literally probably like 5 years old, but it's good for just like loading up movies onto it and just having it for the plane pretty much. And of course you're going to want some sort of like DSLR camera, and what I like to bring along is this Sony. So this is great for like any kind of photography, and another thing is just an extra lens, of course. You know, just throw that in there. Why not? And if you want to get some maybe like shots of the stars or something, I always recommend bringing a tripod along. Now this one's really good because it's like relatively small, it folds up quite well. But this one works perfect. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So you're going to want something that you can back up all that footage and photos onto. So what I like to bring is just a hard drive, just any old hard drive. It could be even like a memory stick. This thing is actually really good to bring along. It's pretty much just blows air, but if you ever get dust on your lens or anything, or even worse on like the sensor, then you can just like do that and it blows out all the dirt. When I'm traveling, I kind of like to make videos and stuff, and when I do, I like to record some nice audio. So what I like is this Zoom H1 just recorder, which is really nice as well, because when you're traveling you want all small kind of lightweight stuff, and this definitely fits into that category of just small and lightweight and it can fit in your pocket. I always recommend just bringing your phone as well, just because the camera on your phone, people seem to underestimate it, but it's really good, and I would just bring that. Another thing that I see a lot of people kind of debating is whether to bring a laptop. For me, I kind of can't go anywhere without it because I like to edit photos on the go, especially if I'm traveling for a long time and I'm like, well, how am I gonna edit photos and post them? So I usually bring my laptop. If you can, I mean, my one's quite heavy, it's a 15-inch. I would recommend a 13-inch laptop or anything smaller than that for traveling, because this adds about like 2 kilograms onto whatever you're carrying, so it is quite a lot, but for me it's worth it anyway, so I guess you can just decide on that yourself. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope some of this helped you out.